Today we live in a world of large amounts of data is being collected with everything we do, whether it's with a mouse click, whether it's internet transactions, or whether it's social media that we interact with, or our mobile devices. So the question is, with all this data, how can we make sense of it? How can we gain knowledge from this? The data science program at Kettering is created to address the needs of these technologies. So the field of data science involves collecting, mining, and processing these large amounts of data so we get intelligence out of this data that we can act on. Our program is unique in many ways. It's multidisciplinary. It includes statistical and computational skill. It also includes a communication in data course. Every course that we offer is going to be project-based. Students are going to learn the rigor of the curriculum and apply it in every single course. Data science is navigating every field right now. In manufacturing, in automotive industry, there's large amounts of data being collected from sensors and being processed for advanced mobility. We have a mobility research center that's literally a data science lab for us. So students can work with faculty that are working in connected and mobile technologies, and they can use MRC as their lab. One of the things that's built into the Masters in Data Science curriculum is an option to get a credit for an internship where they could work with the industry partners that we have, many of whom are actually innovators in mobility technology and autonomous driving technology. The need for data scientists is tremendous in those fields. An ideal student that comes to Kettering is somebody that's driven, is really practical oriented. They want to be able to apply what they learn and take pride in creating projects for themselves from start to finish. So data science is happening all around us all the time, and this sort of brings together all this research into a single focused way of teaching, one curriculum that would address the data scientist needs, and we're creating data scientists of tomorrow.